How to stop Snapchat call from showing in call logs on iPhone. This is very simple. So follow me as you learn this, and don't forget to like and share this video. That is what you can give to me, guys, to motivate me. Go ahead and tap on settings on your iPhone. From here, scroll up until you get to privacy and security, then tap on it. Now tap on your contacts. Once tap on contacts, scroll up until you get to Snapchat. From a list of apps you have here, now tap on Snapchat. Now you have three options here: none, limited access, and full access. So tap on it and select none. Once tap on none, then tap back here, tap back again until you are under the privacy and security. Then scroll up here until you get to this button that says analytics and improvements. Tap on it. Then make sure that share iPhone analytics is toggled off. If your one is turned on like this, tap on it and toggle it off. So with these simple settings in place, Snapchat calls will not show up in your call log on your iPhone. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.